Hello guys, how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80070486 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Windows Update failed to install on your system, then here are the fixes and a error code also received. The first workaround is go to settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key, and here from the left side go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on it. Choose other troubleshooters, and here run the Windows Update troubleshoot. Troubleshoot is the most important Windows inbuilt tools to fixes various type of issues on your system. So let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will take some time. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. And after that, check whether your error code is still receiving on your system or not. If not fixed, then go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and here type services.msc and click on OK. It will open services windows in your system. In services windows, restart or start some Windows Update related services, and the first one is background intelligent transfer service. Simply right click on it and choose a start, and if you have already found this in start mode, then restart it. In my case this is stop mode, so I will choose start, and if you found it already start, then restart. After that, apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic, and finally apply and OK to save the changes. The second services you should start or restart is cryptographic services. Same procedure, right click on it and choose first start, otherwise choose restart, and open its properties, apply a double click on it and set a startup type as automatic, and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. The next services is Windows installer services. Look for Windows installer service, right click on it, choose restart or start. If you found already in start mode, then restart, otherwise start it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties. You can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the next one is Windows Update services. Restart Windows Update services. First start it, otherwise restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and choose a startup type as automatic, and press apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is scan your system with DISM tool and SFC scan now tool. Go to Windows search and D and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. And here execute these three DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. These three DISM tool: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And after that, execute the command SFC /scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification completed. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on the start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type ms configuration. The next workaround is clean boot your system. Open system configuration windows by executing msconfig command in run command box, and here at the top menu bar, choose services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all. After that, go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and here open task manager and check which startup app your system. Look for all enabled startup apps in your system. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Right click on it and choose disable. Manually disable all startup apps on your system, and after finishing close the task manager window and click on apply and OK to save the changes, and they check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Run Windows Update component. To search, type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, execute some Windows Update components as shown on a screen. Net first stop these 4 services one by one. Execute all these 4 commands. First stop these 4 services, execute one by one in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each time, and after that execute these 2 commands one by one. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. So execute one by one these 2 commands also, and after that execute these 4 commands to start all the services which you have earlier stopped them. Execute these 4 commands in command prompt windows one by one. After that, restart your system and check whether your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Don't forget to restart your system after executing Windows Update components. The next one is there may be a storage issue. So disk cleanup, go to Windows search and type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup. Here choose drive which you want to clean up, preferably by C drive where program files are saved. Here make the check against all the recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails and others, and click on OK. After that, restart your system.